Alright guys, those of you who follow my channel know that I am a half glass full kind of guy. So although I received the Hubsan first person view helicopter and it was all broken, I found different ways to recycle parts and make it usable again. One of these was to reuse the prop guards onto a different Hubsan drone, and this seems to be working pretty well. But the other thing was that I was able to figure out how to reuse the camera on this thing here, and now hoping that it will actually work, because sometimes it doesn't, because oh, this is why. Okay, this here is why, because this is an old battery that doesn't always run the way I'd like it to, and sometimes this wire disconnects. I should really solder this in place, but the point is that when it is working, you're able to see what's on the camera there, and it was working earlier, but of course when you want to show it off on camera, things don't always pan out. Now I'm having to do it manually, but as you can see here, it works fantastically well. And the cool thing about this is now I can put this on a boat or an RC car, and I will have FPV. I don't know if it will record. I hope it does record, but we'll have to test that out in a different video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Try to be a half glass full kind of person and make the most of the bad things that happen in your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.